Here we go. Woo! Yeah, dude. That was awesome, man. Yeah, dude. All right, guys, so the 110 is out of commission right now. Pinched the tube the other day out of the track, so gotta get the tube changed out. Got tire tools on order. We didn't have any on hand. I thought I had a set. I'm gonna ride this one. You ride yours. So I'm just gonna cruise on the 50, and we're gonna ride over to the new development. I think we've got some new places to explore too behind our neighborhood. You've already seen us ride back there a bunch, but there's some new spots back there that I definitely want to check out too. All right, let me see if we got gas. Mason never even rides the 50. Madeline's only rode it a handful of times, just when we're going point A to point B. This bike maybe has a total of 3 to 4 hours on it, if that. This thing was dry as a bone, man. I'm surprised it hadn't left it stranded yet. That'll get the job done. And of course, the battery is dead. All right, guys, so they just took the fence down the other day. Yeah, dude. Nice. You want to hit that a couple times? All right, so this is turning out to be a lot better than I thought. So we actually got a couple different tiers, like levels right here that the houses are going to be built on. That's the neighborhood we live in right over there. See, this was originally a flat farm, and they've already done all this development, so makes for a pretty cool place to ride right now. Yeah, dude. That was nice. You can hit that one and then turn back around. So I rode over here right when they very first started developing. I didn't bring Mason or Madeline over here, but I had a video on the channel, and it was when the 110 was completely stopped doing this hip jump right here. This was one of the only hills that was out there, and you're able to basically hit it at an angle right here and land all the way down. That's really why we hadn't ridden back over here in a while. They had the fence up blocking off our neighborhood from this one, so we really didn't care to come back here, but it's actually pretty cool. Here we go. Woo! Yeah, dude. That was awesome, man. You want to hit it one more time? Hit it one more time for us. Yeah. The 50's a little slow out of the gate, but we'll see what she's got. You ready? Oh, you got a head start, fam. Yeah, that's pretty awesome. That was cool, dude. Is that fun or what? Want to do it again? Let's take a lap around the neighborhood, and then we'll do it again. Let's get top speed on the 50. Is actually pretty fast. There we go. That was awesome. Yeah, we can cruise around. Where you want to go to? Look, here's your track right here, dude, that you made. They just cut the grass. Yeah, remember it was really tall when we came the other day. There you go. There you go. Yeah, there we go. You can drop back down the hill right here. There we go. There we go. This hill doesn't have hardly any pop anymore, so we're gonna go back to the spot over there that had like several different hills right in a row and see if we can hit them all at once. Go. Yeah, dude. Keep going. Woo! Keep going. Go. Yeah, dude. Dang, fam. You trying taking me out? That was awesome, dude. Good run. Oh, went one tier too far down. Huh? Go get some water? Yeah. All right.